Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS outline shorthand property. And right now we'll be specifically talking about the CSS outline shorthand property for style and color. Back to our document, let's see what we got. As you can see, we are having this in our previous tutorial where we discussed about the shorthand property of shorthand property using the style, right? But right now we are going to be specifying the color also. So inside our outline property right here, we can specify color. Let's give it red color. When we specify red color right here and reload our document, can you see this gray has turned to color red. Now let me change this to blue color so you can see the benefit of using this shorthand property. When I specify it, I reload my document. Can you see I'm having blue now? Let's now say, for instance, now you don't want to use the shorthand property. There is another way you can specify color. So let's reload our document. As you can see, this is the default color right here. Now let's specify outline color. When we specify outline color, you cannot specify the blue color again right here. So when we reload, can you see we are now having blue color? But instead of using this long value of something, you can just delete all this. We don't need it. Then you can come inside here anywhere you want. You can just specify the color like this, blue, inside the shorthand property right here, and it's still going to work like that. Can you see when we reload? And you can change it to blue violet. When we change it to blue violet, you are going to see how it looks. Can you see it's working nicely? And you can use this also in another element like this one. Also, you can just remove this color property you're having right here. When you save your document, let's see what we got. Can you see we're having the default, which is the black, right? Then you can change it to red when you want. If you want, you can change it to red now and reload your document. Can you see now we are having red? So practice this, because practice makes perfect. And what akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial.